Pro Open.
Okay.
Sorry.
Yeah. Come here. Thank you. Good, good, good.
Look center.
What's up, my nigga in the house?
What's up? How are you
Both of you here.
What do you think? Should I keep this shut or should I keep it open?
Shut.
Shut?
ऐसा नहीं क्या हुआ नेक्स्ट टाइम ऐसा नहीं फिल्म में आ
इधर आ जाओ इधर से बाहर आ
Thank you.
Hello.
मत जाओ भाई
So hi Mickey. Can you tell us about your
Oh yeah. So this is India's first cross-country all-English rap album. It's called the Cheddar Chase, and we've got the best artists from all across the country. I've travelled each city myself, met each artist, worked with each one. We've shot videos with people like Ashia cameoing in our music videos and everything. So it's been a wild ride. Got the best of the best from across the country on this. English rap, we're trying to take this worldwide. So just hope that everyone bumps us on Spotify and mousetrap.com.
थैंक यू
Thank you.
थैंक यू
So, for those of y'all who don't know, this is Mary Jane Mob. These guys, come a little closer, guys. Come behind and come closer. Gang. So, these guys are from Vadodara, Gujarat. And V-Town, that's what they call it. That's what they call it. And imagine English rap that can go international, coming from such pockets of India. Means it's not a small thing. We are looking at expanding this and making this as big as Bollywood is. That's the kind of an industry that we're trying to create out here. And this is the Mary Jane Mob. We're always going to remember them. They're the best in the country.
Yes sir
Thank you, Mob. Mob with the Mickey.
What's up
It's the G2.
what's up Cheddar in the house
Yeah, this is a cheddar life, yeah. This is a cheddar life, man.
Hello gang Mousetrap you watching for yes sir
Get Mousetrap.
thank you
That's our DJ, all-time DJ. He's been throughout every
Day one.
gig
Day
since the
one.
past 4 years of this project. G Glock. You're gonna see him spinning upstairs with
Yes.
Loka's girlfriend Isha
Isha
right
is
here.
there. Betty
She's
Bob is
right
there.
here.
Betty yeah she's Betty she's gonna spinning tonight
She's
come
gonna
in
be
center
spinning. Nice to meet you.
come in center
Come.
come you'll just say cheese
Oh yeah.
cheddar and cheese
Can you go back on the one of you here?
Hip hop
Yeah.
in the building.
In the building here. We got hip
Bombay represent hip hop.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you.
See on both sides like a cheddar chase.
Yes,
Hey.
sir. Lovely. I'll get from the car and then take back. Okay?
Sure.
Give it to me.
Sure.
Both of you here. Yeah. Ramesh. Thank you.
And tomorrow is Tupac's birthday, just so you know. That's why whole of hip hop is going to be here, bro. Love, bro. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Please, come. Have a great time. Nah, bro. No. Sorry, bro. All good, bro. Thank you for coming, sir. You're not late. Guys, Yeda Anna out here, man. Yeda Anna right here.
सऊदी भाई सब मैं क्या दे देगा तुम क्या देने का मतलब कुछ बाइट बाइट देने का है क्या देना तुम लोग को
Go for it, bro. If you wanna, like, you.
yo big shout out to my brother you know what it is man smoke share over it is in the business don't give a fuck people come and go smoke record for life man big shout out to my brother Mickey you already know it's your boy Yeda Anna तो क्या सीन है bro फिर आज
Bro, today, just go and go ham, bro. That's all.
let's go bro
No sweat at all, bro. No, this is Yeda Anna, bro.
big shout out
I don't need to say none, bro. If we've got that support, I'll see that inside. I'll see you inside. Love, sir. Jay's honest. Can I ask you one question, sir? Yeah, album का नाम क्या है? Come on. Come on. Cheddar Chase. Cheddar Chase. मतलब we're chasing the money. आप भी हम भी सब लोग. Nah, bro. Today I'm having a good time. Hi, you want to come in? Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
so much. Right here, Yeda Anna.
come on man
Let's
oh
go.
क्या हुआ मेरा बच्चा को ग्लेस करना पड़ेगा
what is up man all the shit
You're taking too much time.
oh
right?
shit
Shouldn't have.
oh shit that's not his problem
Oh my god, local also here. Oh my god.
come on क्या बोलते भाई
क्या बोल रहे हो बाप रे?
Yes. We got hip hop right here, bro.
come on man
Right here. लोका यहाँ है. If you're wondering लोका कहाँ है, लोका यहाँ है. Yo, we got. Bro, just check this. This is hip hop representing each other, bro. Bombay, bro. Bombay.
Bro.
He's seen the trip. I'm so glad these guys have come through. Okay. And Archie has also cameoed in one of the music videos, if you don't know. Yeah. It's called Human. And पहाड़ों पे चढ़ के.
पहाड़ों पे right.
But,
Humans की तरह हमने survive किया.
Yes. Thank you to all these people for coming out right now, man.
Thank you.
Much love, more than anything. They're here for the love, bro. Nothing else, man. Love. Thank you so much, bro.
Yay!
Congratulations to you. Thank you.
This is the first time.
Let's go.
guys a group photo
Go.
Group photo.
You can't hide Park over t-shirt. You want some?
can't hide Park. Never hide Park. by fucking hip hop.
Motherfucking hip hop here. Let's go.
हो रहे हैं किसकी cancel हो रहे हैं?
ऊपर मचाना है ओके? Thank you so much to this dude, bro. Thank you so much to this guy. Much love.
Look at here.
तुम देखो ना अभी बेबी अन्ना को रिलीज करना है क्या होने वाला है
Baby Anna is going to be super static.
और मैं
Spread the pen around.
हाँ जी आ रहा हूँ.
This is Shantanu Shahkari from the Swadeshi movement. The Swadeshi movement has not yet died, he's still here alive, and he's keeping it going. Lives in the heart forever. And he's running Nayab Talents right now, running a talent agency. So it's best of luck for our brother. He's also taking care of me at times when needed. Thank you so much, man. Representing hip hop always. Don't forget your band first. It's gonna be a problem with us.
Disbanded.
Bro, it's
So you liked it then?
thank you so much, man.
Oh, you're
Bro,
fucking welcome. It
Bro.
was a joy.
thank you so much, bro. Thank you so much, man.
The guy who was playing you.
Oh, bro, I was. Bro, trust me, that was the best thing I've seen. That's the best thing I've seen here.
Oh, we had a fucking great time making this. So like,
No. They do. Okay, the creators. They make content that. I'll send you all the content, bro. That's all I'll send. I'll send you the content. I don't have to tell them. They asked me for things. I didn't say a word.
voice note there.
He sent me a voice note. I said do whatever you want, and then I took a voice note, and that was it.
That's it.
That's it.
Sorry, Neil.
So
It's also for us also we did it. Yeah. It's fine.
go up, have a great time right now.
That's the point.
And, bro, thank you so much for that. Oh,
It's a mob here.
Bob is upstairs. Bob is upstairs. Bro. Bob is
Oh,
upstairs.
dude, I want to know their reactions to this.
I know. Bro, did you see that? Let him know.
We out here, baby. Mr. Mickey's mouse trap. Ready 2.7.
It's good. It's come for the album launch, and you already know.
Yeah, man. We want it big, all day. One story's big, baby.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Let's go, Jay. Come on, man. Red carpet thingy. Come, bro. Go for it, man.
JK this year.
Say cheese. Cheddar cheese.
Jay Killa, I'll introduce you all to Jay Killa. Jay Killa is one of our day ones. From the start of the project, Jay Killa has been there. He's one of the best rappers in the city / country when it comes to English rap. He's also putting his hand into many other genres like acting and everything. And looking forward to seeing him on the big screen soon. I've done the best shows in my life with this guy. Best shows, bro. It's always been a great combination together. I hope he likes it. I don't know about that.
Yes, no. Turned it up. I'm glad that this album is out. Features one of my favorite songs, Ceiling Music, which we've been performing for the past 4 years.
Yeah. Ceiling music, yo. Bandavali, Ceiling music. So we made a great song there.
Congrats, dude. Congrats on
Congrats
the
to you,
launch.
dude, bro.
Yeah, hell yeah. It's a great event. Shout out to you guys. Go stream the album. And let's get it.
Let's get it. Let's get Mousetrap, people.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Yes?
Yeah.
Let's go have a good time. You have a great time. This is Tanishka. She's a creator and she's supporting us for the album. Thank you so much.
All the best.
Hello. Hello. How are you, sir? How are you? Nice to see you. Come now. One second. Ashi, Abhi went Limitless. He's the one who like mic with me. And 90s it was his own song. That's Limitless, guys. So, like I said, Jay Killer, Limitless, and myself are representing this album in a way. We've done a number of shows. We aim at making a lot more good music. And what else do you say? What do you want to say? Something? The chase is on. The chase is on. Great job. Good flow.
अरे ये भाई में किधर है नहीं किधर है अब आओ पीछे अरे पीछे वाला को
Hey yo everybody!
Yeah.
Let's get it, Limitless! Mary J. Mob, yo! Jay Killer! Yo! It's been a long ride, yo! The Cheddar Chase is on, bitches!
Let's go!
Yo, let's go, chica!
I'm gonna have the first piece myself.
So sweet on the beat like me. So sweet on the beat like so sweet on the beat like